I use propane all the time. There are several factors as to why. It is cheap, about 1/4 the price of butane. It's more readily available. You can buy a propane torch at many different stores for very cheap. The torches typically put out a lot more heat. I've used both propane and butane, mostly for creme brulee, but other food as well. The butane torches put out such a focused small area of heat that it would get uneven burning. Whereas with propane, they often put out a much larger area of heat, making it easier to caramelize across the surface evenly. As for the concern of it imparting propane flavor, I have had that happen once, but I've also had that happen with butane. It's all about flow control. If you have the dial turned up too high and it's spewing out massive amounts of propane, plus hold the flame too close to the food, you might get then hint of propane. But if you have the torch dialed into the proper settings, you really can't beat the ease and convenience of energy-efficient clean-burning propane gas. I agree with Nick's answer and also use a propane torch. I'll add, don't get a cooking torch, i.e. one designed specifically for the kitchen. They're expensive, have a smaller flame, and use a small gas container. It would be a huge pain to try and use for something large like flank steak, a sous-vide favorite. Instead, get a plumber's torch at Home Depot. I use a Burnzomatic which just screws a nozzle onto a blue gas cylinder. Much better and way cheaper than anything you'd get at Williams-Sonoma. All that said, I don't think that the propane torch does nearly as good a job as a screaming hot grill or pan, screaming be the operative word in either case as you want to sear the outside without cooking the inside. But a grill takes time and a pan that's hot enough kicks up a ton of splatter. The torch is definitely the most convenient, but unfortunately, it's not a silver bullet.